By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to earn $75 per hour by listening to music on SoundCloud. The first step is to come over to soundcloud.com. On the site you can find different songs and music. The registration process on SoundCloud is very simple, and it's completely free, meaning you don't have to spend any money on this site. As you can see, there is a lot of music and songs that you can listen to. Also, the songs are available in different categories and languages, and the best part is that SoundCloud is available on both iOS and Android phones, so you can use it whether you have an Android phone or an iPhone. If you are using an Android phone, you can download the app from the Google Play Store, which will look like this. Make sure you download the right app, and if you are using an iPhone, you can download the app from App Store, which will look like this. For future videos on this channel, let me know in the comments section below whether you are using an Android or an iPhone, so that I can make more videos for you. Okay, so after you download SoundCloud onto your phone, you can find different music and songs to listen to, and I suggest you click on the Explore Trending Playlists. From there, you will be taken to this page. As you can see here, you can find different trending music classified into different categories. For example, if you want to listen to this music and relax category, you will just click on it, and from there, you will be taken to this page. You just have to click on this play button and you can start listening to music. Also, you will find that there is a playlist associated with this song. As you can see, there are 21 tracks associated with this song, which you can listen to. Now that you understand how to find music on SoundCloud, I want you to come over to azlyrics.com, where you can find lyrics to different music. There is a lot of music available on this site. For example, if you want to look for the lyrics of this song, Imagine Dragon Bones, you just have to click on this, and from there, you will be taken to this page, where you can listen to the song and see the lyrics under this song. Before we move further, I have a bonus website for you, which I will share with you later in this video, which will help you to make double or triple more money than others. So I highly recommend you to watch this video till the end to maximize your earnings. Okay, so now I want you to listen to the next step carefully, because this is very important step to make money. You can make money transcribing the lyrics of the songs. So for a very simple song like this, usually 3 to 4 minutes long, you can easily make some dollars again and again simply by transcribing. Now, I want you to take a look at this. For every minute, you will get $1.25 simply by listening to music and transcribing it. The average length of a typical song is about 3 minutes, so based on this, you can easily make 3.75 cents per song you listen to. The next step is to come over to the site, which is rev.com. Here you can find different job opportunities to transcribe songs. There are 3 types of jobs which you can do. There is transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. Keep watching because I will show free software which will do all the work for you. Okay, so now I want you to scroll down to the bottom of our rev.com and then go under the About section and click on Freelancers. You will be taken to this page. You can make money online by simply transcribing or captioning from anywhere and anytime, and the best part about this website is that they allow you to work whenever you want and from wherever you want. And also you get paid weekly through PayPal. You can see that there are 2 types of jobs on this site. Transcriptionist and captioner. I suggest you select transcriptionist and click on Learn More button. From there, you will be taken to this next page, where you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, and select your country. As you can see, in this tab you can join from anywhere in the world. It does not matter where you are coming from, but for our future videos comment down below. I am from blank aka your country, so that I can make more videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, I want to show you another website which will help you to make money by just listening to songs and transcribing them. It is also completely free to join. And it's available worldwide. Also, this website is gotranscript.com. I want you to scroll down all the way to the bottom of this website and click on Work, and you will be taken to this next page, where you can see that they pay 60 cents for every single audio or video minute. So for an average 3 minutes long song, you can make $1.80 for listening and transcribing to it. And to register yourself on this site, you just have to click on this Apply Now button right here. From there you will be taken to this next page, where you have to fill in your email and create your password to register on this site. I suggest you join different transcription sites like rev.com and gotranscript.com so that you can get more job opportunities and you can make more money with this. Now, I want to share with you guys the bonus website which will do all the work for you. And it is completely free. This is otranscribe.com. This free website will make the transcription job very easy. It will help you to transcribe any audio or video file for free. I want you to click on this blue button, and it will take you to the next page. Here you can start transcribing. All you need is a link or a downloaded music, audio, or video file to start. For example, if you want to transcribe the music from SoundCloud.com, you just have to select the song, and you should be able to find the share button under the song. When you will click on this button, it will provide you with the link to this particular music track. You can simply copy this link from here, and you can download this song to your computer. And the next step is to go back to otranscribe.com and click on this upload button right here to upload the music file you just downloaded, and then this free tool will automatically transcribe the song for you. But sometimes it has a little bit of grammatical error, and to correct them, you can use another free tool which is grammarly.com. This tool will help you to correct your grammar mistakes easily. And now I want to share with you guys another bonus tip which will help you to make more money on rev.com. As you can see, a typical transcription job will pay you $1.25, but if you focus on foreign languages, it will pay you from $3 to $7 per minute. This is because it is a little difficult to transcribe the foreign language into English. Now let me show you how you can do it with the help of a free tool. For example, if you come to SoundCloud.com and select this foreign language song, it will be a bit difficult to transcribe it, and for this the free tool which we will be using is Untitled.com. On this website, you can translate from one language to another. For example, you can translate the German music into the English music, and also you can use it other way to translate English music into some other language you want. And if you want to make more money, then I highly recommend you to click on the video showing on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.